Bayesian inference play a key role in modern statistics, offering a different way to think about data and uncertainty. Unlike traditional frequentist approaches, Bayesian methods let us factor in what we already know or believe before seeing new data. This makes the result more flexible and often more informative. In this video, we break down the basic of Bayesian inference, look how it works in practice, and go over some real-world examples to show why it's such a powerful tool.
Ever wondered how Google predicts what you're about to type? Or how doctors diagnose diseases based on symptoms and test results? The secret behind this smart decision is Bayesian inference, a powerful statistical method that updates our beliefs based on our new evidence. So, Bayesian inference is based on Bayes' theorem, a rule in a probability that helps us update our predictions or belief as we gather new data. Imagine you're guessing whether it's going to rain. You might initially think there's a 30% chance, but if you look outside and see dark clouds, you probably increase that estimate, right? That's Bayesian thinking, where we have the new belief is equals to the prior belief times the new evidence, or with the new evidence, and we're dividing it to the normalizing constant. So here we start with a prior belief, right, and collect evidence, and then form a posterior belief that better reflects reality. So let's come now to the real life examples. So here's a few real life real world situations where Bayesian inference is used every day. So first, we have the medical diagnosis, where when a patient gets a medical test, doctors use Bayesian inference to update the likelihood of a disease. So we have the so even even if a test is 95% accurate, the final diagnosis depends on how common the disease is in the population. As you can see, di ba, kung naaano niyo yung medicals, like tatanungin nila yung patient, ganito, ganyan, tas like kung inuupo ka or nilalagnat ka, ilang araw ka na nilalagnat. So, pag matagal yung lagnat mo, like, or rather 7 weeks or pabalik-balik, idadiagnose nila yun as dengue. Pero though, magte-test pa rin sila, 'di ba? Blood test and all, ganun 'yan. That's all. I hope you learn a lot kahit konti lang ang aking na-explain. Thank you so much. See you again.
Welcome! Today, we're diving into the real-world application of Bayesian inference, a powerful method that helps us make smarter decisions using probability and evidence. First, medicine. Doctors use Bayesian inference to update the probability that a patient has a disease based on symptoms and test results. It's not just about whether a test is positive, but how reliable the test is and how common the disease is. Next, in technology, the Bayesian inference powers spam filters. If your email contains words like free or price, the system updates its belief that it might be a spam. That's a classic example of naive-based classifier. And finance. Investors use Bayesian models to predict stock behavior. As new data comes in, like market news or earning reports, the model updates predictions about risk or return. How about the weather? Bayesian inference is behind those forecasts you check every morning. If it rained yesterday and there are clouds today, the model updates the chance it will rain tomorrow. In forensics, Bayesian inference helps weigh the probability that someone is guilty based on new evidence like DNA, while considering prior info like location or motive. And in robotics, robots use Bayesian inference to navigate. As they move and sense their surroundings, they update their belief about where they are. This is called SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping. So whether it's diagnosing diseases, filtering spam, forecasting the weather, or guiding robots, Bayesian inference is all around us, helping us update what we know one data point at a time. Smart decisions start with smart updates.